As one can imagine, seeing a large group of fully equipped coalition and Afghan forces enter your village can be an awkward experience. But today, this group of service members was greeted with excitement.
As you know, it's winter. We had blankets and clothes we were distributing to the villagers. They're very happy and thankful.
After nearly a year of training with the 738th Air Expeditionary Advisory Group, the Afghan airmen led their first humanitarian mission.
It's very good when we go out with the coalition. We talk to the villagers about their problems. It's very beneficial for our military and our people.
They did very well. They wanted to be very organized with it. The Air Force guys and NATO forces, we can give stuff away all day long, but it means so much more if an Afghan troop gives them something. So we're trying to build the relationship between the Afghan Air Force and the Afghan people.
Master Sergeant Vassar added, it's very rewarding to see the progress the Afghan airmen are making. Marine Corporal Lys Cisneros, Kandahar Province, Afghanistan.